guys! So, for today's video po, tayo ay nag-order ng earrings, guys. Yeah, pagpasensya nyo ng ating background, guys, at maingay ang aso ng ating kapitbahay. So, let's open it! Ang SRP niya, guys, is 47 pesos. O, diba? Bali, naka-sale siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Yeah, ito na siya, guys. 7 po siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in 1. 7 pair siya, guys. As you can see. Pang-passion lang siya, guys. Yeah. Dalawang ano po. Dalawang klase yung in-order ko. Yeah. May mga pearl siya. 3 set. And then, may butterfly. Flower. Yeah. And that's it. Isa tong pair. And the other one, guys, is this one. May moon. May Eiffel Tower. May love na design. So, that's it. So, thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog, guys. Bye!